Hello and welcome to pmslounge.com. Today we are talking about Ireland, specifically answering the question, how much can you as a project manager expect to make in Ireland? You could be someone who is a project manager working in Ireland right now, or you could be someone who's looking to move to this beautiful European country. So, when we do videos like these, and we have covered several other countries, by the way, all of them are available in a playlist. That playlist will be linked in the description below. The first link, check it out. But when we do videos like these, in addition to how much you can expect to make in certain countries, you will also get answers to questions like what kind of education you should have to be able to make the most, which industries pay the most to their project managers, and within those industries, which kind of departments in the certain organizations they pay the most to their project managers. How big should an organization be for you to be able to make the most, right? So questions like these are also answered in our videos. So when we do videos like these, we basically refer to PMI's report known as the salary survey. All copyrights acknowledged, no copyrights infringement intended. You can get a copy of this report yourself if you are a PMI member, and this is totally free. I'd highly urge you to get yourselves a copy. Now, let's look at the findings for Ireland. The salary that a project manager can expect in Ireland is 80,000 euros. Now, remember, we take a look at the median figure because median is closest to reality. Salary is 80,000 euros, while the total compensation is 86,500 euros, which obviously includes some other components in addition to your salary. So that's the median. This is just the beginning. Let's go into the details and try and understand more about Ireland. Let's talk about past 12 months. Did people get a raise in the last 12 months? And this is one of the rare developed countries that are actually handing out salary hikes to their employees, right? So 28% people, they got a comparatively low salary hike, 1% to 2.9%, but at least there is a hike, because we have seen several developed countries that did not give any hike to their employees and their salaries remained the same, while that number for Ireland is just 1%. 28% reported a salary hike, 1% to 2.9%. 24% reported 3% to less than 4%, and then 15% reported a really healthy salary hike of 5% to less than 7%. So, salary hike wise, I would say Ireland is among one of the top developed nations that are handing out salary hikes as well. The next 12 months, and again, 37% people, they say that they are expecting a hike of 1% to 2.9%. 21% feel a hike of 5% to 6.9% is coming their way, while 14% think that their salary hike is going to be in double digits. So this is actually a really good indication in terms of salary hikes, your salary growth in a country like Ireland. Now, let's move on. Analyze salary by position description. Typically, as you rise through the ranks, towards your left, you can see all these job titles, job positions. As you rise through the ranks from specialist to project manager 1 to 3, program manager, portfolio manager, director of PMO, as you climb the corporate ladder, your median salary also increases, which is pretty much the same that we see in this table. Similarly, your salary also increases as the years of work experience increase. Nothing out of ordinary here, right? Analyze salary by years worked in project management. So the previous table talked about overall work experience, while this one talks just about years that you have dedicated to project management. And again, as those years increase, your salary also increases. Analyze salary by highest formal education level obtained. And this is interesting because having a master's degree will give you a very slight edge over someone who has a 4-year college degree. But having a doctoral degree is actually not very beneficial. You're going to be making a little less than someone who just has a college or an associate degree, right? So Doctoral degree is not something that you should look for if you are looking to get a project manager job role in Ireland, but master's degree or a 4-year college degree is something that will help you the most. Should you get a degree in project management? Not really. Someone without a degree actually ends up making more than someone with a degree. So, having a degree is not something that is going to help you out a lot, but having a PMP certification is definitely something that is going to help you a lot, because out of the people surveyed, someone with a PMP certification was making a lot more than someone who did not have the PMP certification. So get yourselves a PMP, analyze salary by gender, and I should call this out because Ireland is one of those countries where the pay gap between males and females is pretty narrow. So that's a good thing. I just wanted to call that out. All right, moving on. Analyze salary by department. If you're working in the consulting department of your firm or the engineering or finance department, you are going to be making the most, followed by the IT department and the PMO, the project management, dedicated project management department. So these are the departments that you should look for within your organization. Now, what are the industries that you can target, right? And as you can see, consulting, engineering, pharma, these are the industries that pay the highest to their project managers in Ireland. So there you have it, the industry and the departments that you should target. Analyze salary by number of employees in the entire organization, as well as analyze salary by average project team size and analyze salary by average project budget. This is in US dollars. In all three tables, you have a clear winner. The larger the organization that you work for, the higher you are going to get paid. The larger your project team size is, the higher you are going to get paid. The larger your project budget is, the higher salary you are going to draw. So, a clear conclusion in these three tables. If you are in Ireland, go for large organizations, large projects, and large project teams. Finally, the last thing that I wanted to talk about was the mean hours worked by position description. Hours expected from all of these job titles, job positions are less than 40 hours, which is a great thing, right? So you are not expected to work more than 5 days a week, but in actual terms, as you rise through the ranks, it is obvious that you're going to be spending more time working on your office tasks. So that's all that we had in this video. I hope you enjoyed it and were able to understand the salary figures, numbers, statistics for Ireland. If you want us to cover any specific country, let me know in the comments and I'll try and create a video on it. That's all in this one. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.